Well, remember, it is Mayawati's 62nd birthday today, and on the occasion, posters of Mayawati being projected as the Prime Minister have emerged. And this is coming when Mayawati and Akhilesh Yadav, the former arch rivals turned friends and allies, now are already together to contest in Uttar Pradesh for 2019. And these are the posters that Republic TV's Piyush is breaking first on your channel. Mayawati for Prime Minister as per the party. Behan Mayawati ji ko Bharat ki bhavi Pradhan Mantri. That is how the party has now projected her on her birthday. Piyush is now with us on phone line. Is this a hint that BSP is trying to drop here, and other parties, Samajwadi Party for that matter, should be a worried lot right now?
Well, absolutely, Sakal, and that the poster has been shared by Surendra Bhadoria, who is also national spokesperson of BSP. He has put up these posters on Facebook where he is clearly trying to portray Mayawati as the next Prime Minister of the country. Remember, these posters are coming on a day when Mayawati is also doing a press conference and also stressing upon the fact that the alliance in Uttar Pradesh is going to be stronger. Remember, a couple of days back there was a seat sharing formula which was announced by Samajwadi Party and BSP, in which 38 seats were given to both the parties. And now, after announcing those seats for the first time, BSP is officially asking that Mayawati should be projected as the next Prime Minister of India. And this is going to be another big move at the part of Gathbandhan, where Mayawati is trying to project herself as the tallest leader of the Gathbandhan in Uttar Pradesh.
And it's going to have far-reaching implications when we talk about the Mahagathbandhan, the anti-Modi front, that apparently Congress wanted to lead from the front, and Congress's Rahul Gandhi was projected as the prime ministerial candidate. And here you have BSP, the BSP cadre projecting their powerhouse leader as their Bhavi Pradhan Mantri. It's got a very, very strong political significance when we talk about the message that they're trying to send across, Piyush, isn't it?
Well, exactly. We already know that this Gathbandhan has given a props to Congress party, in which they have not given even a single seat to Congress. And now, for the first time, Congress workers, BSP workers, as well as the top leaders of BSP are coming out and projecting Mayawati as the next Prime Minister. This clearly indicates that the Mahagathbandhan wants to come out with, they want to give a message to all the parties in Mahagathbandhan that Mayawati is the tallest leader and also taller than Akhilesh Yadav, because for the first time these posters have surfaced, and the posters have surfaced on the day of birthday of Mayawati, in which the workers have made it very clear that Mayawati
we have Ghanshyam Tiwari, Samajwadi spokesperson, joining us on phone line. Ghanshyam Tiwari, भारत की भावी प्रधानमंत्री बहन मायावती जी को जनवरी 15 जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं, ये कहना है उनके बीएसपी कार्डर्स का, जो कि आज का दिन जन कल्याणकारी दिवस मनाते हैं. How is Samajwadi Party going to look at this? Is she your भावी प्रधानमंत्री candidate?
सबसे पहले मैं आपको, आपके दर्शकों को मकर संक्रांति, पोंगल और देश भर में जो उल्लास के त्योहार मनाए जा रहे हैं उसके लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूं. आज बहन मायावती जी का जन्मदिन है, उसके लिए मैं समूची समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ से बहन मायावती जी को और बीएसपी के हर कार्यकर्ता को, उनके हर समर्थक को जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं देता हूं.
नहीं, आप बहन मायावती जी को भी क्या भारत की भावी प्रधानमंत्री का दर्जा देंगे?
हमारे लोकतंत्र में, हमारे संविधान में हर किसी को वो शिखर हासिल करने का अवसर मिलता है जो शिखर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को मिला है. तो वो हमारे संविधान की ताकत है. हमने इस विषय पर कहा है कि 2019 का चुनाव बदलाव का चुनाव है. The nation will have a new prime minister.
Ghanshyam Tiwari. No, so are you backing her candidature as the next prime ministerial candidate?
We have said that the mandate of 2019 will choose the prime minister and the nation will have a new prime minister. We would welcome a prime minister who comes from Uttar Pradesh.
Ghanshyam Tiwari, I once again repeat my question. You know exactly what we are wanting to know from you. And why from you? Because now it seems that Samajwadi Party and BSP, you've decided to conveniently forget the acrimony which dates back to Mulayam Singh Yadav days. Today, When these posters are out, finally in 30 seconds, do you back this? Is Mayawati your future candidate, PM candidate?
Akhilesh Yadav ji has very clearly articulated the ideas and vision of Samajwadi Party.
Okay.
Saying the nation wants a new Prime Minister and we would welcome a Prime Minister from Uttar Pradesh when the nation votes for a change.
All right, thank you very much, Ghanshyam Tiwari. Well, we do remember that in that presser which they both jointly held, they talked about next Pradhan Mantri will come from Uttar Pradesh. We can read more into it, but we slip into a short break here. On the other side, we also break this news as Samajwadi Party is open to the idea of Behen Mayawati being the Bhavi Pradhan Mantri as the prime ministerial candidate looking at 2019. A short break here. This is going to be a big story we track for you throughout the day. Stay with us.